My philosophy is the golden rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And in real estate, that absolutely applies. I'm going to treat my clients with the same perspective that I would look at for myself. Having someone who's experienced and understands real estate is very, very important. Someone who has not been doing it as long won't have learned all of the pitfalls. I've learned what the pitfalls are and have become very familiar with all of the laws, all of the details of the contract, and how best to protect a client and how best to get the client what it is they truly want. A smooth transaction, the best price they can get, and experience is really the only way to achieve that. I first and foremost have a passion for people. Love working with people. Love the satisfaction at the end of the day of knowing that I helped someone achieve a goal. And not only did they achieve that goal, but they achieved it with success. They achieved it with a positive ending. I'm able to do that as well as interior design, photography, landscape architecture. All of my passions have found their home in one career. And every day I think of how lucky I am to get paid to do something that I really love.